When it comes to commercial vehicles, few can match the versatility, reliability, and sheer capability of the Mercedes-Benz Metris. And now, with the arrival of the 2025 model, this van has been taken to a whole new level. Whether you're a small business owner, a fleet manager, or just someone who needs a versatile, powerful van that can handle both the job site and the highway with ease, the 2025 Metris is ready to rise to the occasion. This isn't just another van, it's a statement that says your business deserves the very best in performance, luxury, and innovation. Let's start with the most obvious change: the design. Mercedes-Benz has always been known for its elegant, sophisticated vehicles, and the 2025 Metris continues this tradition. From the bold, redesigned grille to the sharply sculpted lines, this van exudes confidence on the road. The updated front end features a wider, more aggressive stance, and the larger, more prominent Mercedes-Benz star proudly sits at the center, reminding everyone that this is a van designed for those who demand more. With its sleek, modern aesthetic, the Metris looks more dynamic and refined than ever, making it the perfect vehicle for a company that values style and performance. But let's talk about what really matters: the performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Metris comes equipped with a robust 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. This powerhouse is paired with a smooth shifting 9-speed automatic transmission, ensuring both power and efficiency in every drive. Whether you're carrying heavy cargo, towing a trailer, or just cruising down the highway, the Metris's engine delivers a balance of strength and fuel economy that few can match. You get over 250 horsepower, and the torque is more than enough to handle any load you throw at it, all while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency for those long days on the road. Thanks to Mercedes-Benz's advanced engineering, you get a van that can tow up to 5,000 pounds, making it ideal for businesses that need to haul materials, equipment, or anything else that needs to be moved. On top of that, the 2025 Metris offers rear-wheel drive, which translates into a driving experience that's both smooth and responsive. The van handles surprisingly well, even when fully loaded. Whether navigating city streets, winding through tight corners, or cruising on the open highway, the Metris is as agile as it is powerful. It gives you that feeling of control and confidence that you'd expect from a premium brand like Mercedes-Benz. But we all know that running a business isn't just about raw power and performance. It's also about efficiency. The 2025 Metris improves on this front too. With enhanced aerodynamics and an optimized engine, this van offers a significant improvement in fuel economy compared to previous models. Fewer stops at the gas station mean less downtime and more time spent getting your work done. And let's not forget about total cost of ownership. With the Metris, you're getting a vehicle that's built to last, meaning fewer repairs, fewer headaches, and more money in your pocket over time. Inside, the 2025 Metris is a blend of form and function. While it's built to work hard, Mercedes-Benz hasn't forgotten about comfort. The cabin is spacious and thoughtfully designed with the driver and passengers in mind. From the high-quality materials that adorn the dashboard to the intuitive control layout, every aspect of the Metris's interior speaks to the brand's commitment to luxury and usability. The seats are comfortable and supportive, even for long hours behind the wheel, and they're also fully adjustable, ensuring you can find the perfect driving position. Whether you're on the road for a few hours or an entire day, you'll always feel in control and at ease. And if you're someone who values technology, you're in for a treat. The 2025 Metris comes with the latest version of Mercedes-Benz's MBUX infotainment system. This intuitive system features a 7-inch touchscreen display that integrates with your smartphone navigation and media apps seamlessly. Whether you're using voice commands or the simple touchscreen controls, the system makes it easy to manage everything from your route to your playlist while keeping your attention on the road. It even allows for hands-free calling, so you can stay in touch with clients, employees, or suppliers without ever taking your hands off the wheel. Beyond technology, safety is a priority for Mercedes-Benz, and the 2025 Metris is no exception. This van is equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features designed to protect both the driver and the cargo. Standard features include blind spot assist, lane keeping assist, and attention assist, which monitors your driving behavior and alerts you if it detects fatigue. Optional features like adaptive cruise control, parking assistance, and a 360-degree camera system make it even easier to navigate tight spaces, busy city streets, or crowded job sites. The Metris also features reinforced sidewalls and a sturdy frame, ensuring maximum protection in the event of a collision. When it comes to practicality, the Metris shines as well. This van boasts best-in-class cargo capacity, with a spacious cargo area that can be configured to meet virtually any need. Whether you're transporting building materials, large equipment, or a full crew, there's plenty of room to get everything where it needs to go. 202 Metris is what truly sets it apart. Whether you're in construction, delivery, or any other industry that requires flexibility and efficiency, this van is built to handle whatever challenges come your way. It's more than just a mode of transportation, it's a reliable business partner that works as hard as you do. In conclusion, if you're looking for a vehicle that combines power, efficiency, practicality, and luxury, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Metris is a clear choice. With its impressive performance, advanced technology, safety features, and business-ready design, it's the ideal tool for anyone looking to elevate their business. The 2025 Metris is ready to tackle the toughest jobs while ensuring that you and your team are comfortable, safe, and productive every mile of the way. So why settle for ordinary when you can drive the extraordinary? Upgrade your business and experience what a difference the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Metris can make.